Hi guys, it's Alpha Blue and you're welcome to yet another Euro USD daily analysis. And I'm currently on the 1 week time frame. And as you can see, the euro dollar has been very bearish for the past 2 weeks. We've had massive bearish candles and we've just been flowing with the market order flow. Currently, this week, the major economic events for this week is the CPI report, which will be coming out tomorrow. So the major players, the key players in the market are just on the sidelines waiting to see what the CPI data will be tomorrow before they step into the market. So currently today, the market has just been pretty much in the same spot, just ranging. And by tomorrow, we'll see what next the market, where next the market will head to. Currently, this is the daily time frame. These red horizontal lines are the weekly highs and lows. Currently, the market is at uh, the previous week's low and it's just ranging there. So what I expect for the market is either we see something like this. What I'm expecting on EU is we see something like this. It breaks this weekly low, retests the zone, then continues its bearish move to this point. So this is what I'm expecting to see today. Last week we were looking at this support because right now the market is currently as a support. Last week we were looking at this place. You can as well mark this place as a support. So last week we were looking at this zone and we were waiting to see that price was going to like respect this support and bounce back up to the upside, but it didn't happen. EU was too bearish and the market price actually gave this indecision candle and then but then it now bounced off a 4-hour supply right here and came back to this support again. So currently, in my own opinion, I feel this support won't hold. Its price may break it down and EU may continue bearish. Well, it depends on what the CPI report says. So if you go to the 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour, this was the zone we were looking at last week. I did say that this was another block and I was waiting to see how price will react at this point. So at the beginning of the week, price was pretty much just ranging, but then towards the middle of the week, it started buying just for it to now react at this supply zone here and sold back to this 4-hour demand or support. So right now, price is still ranging around here, What I'm waiting to see is tomorrow's CPI will either push, depending on what the data says, it will either push price up or down. So wherever price goes, if it goes, I'm likely predicting that it will go down. Maybe we'll have high CPI data, which is going to support dollar domination narrative, and dollar will continue to rise while EU will dump. So if we get a high CPI tomorrow, we'll see EU dump down. So what I'll be waiting for is to see that EU breaks this support to the downside, we test it, and then I sell it to this level. So I'm just keenly watching to see what price does. If you go to the 1-hour time frame, see price is just ranging. But I'll still be monitoring the price to see if it will give some lower time frame setups, create liquidity and try to take it out. So I could still leverage on that to see if I can catch some quick 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 rates to the world ratio. So that's pretty much it for Euro USD today. The major thing to watch out for is the CPI report coming out tomorrow. So today, there won't really be anything much going on. Just ranging. If we check the Forex factory, if we check the calendar, um, Sorry. So today, Monday, no any news on USD, but Tuesday, tomorrow by 2:30 p.m., we have CPI coming out. So we'll just watch out for that and see how it goes. So that's it for today, guys. Cheers and see you next time.